Hey, welcome back to shop. Today, we're looking at 5 things you don't want to get if you're a blacksmith for Christmas. Here we go. Isn't it the worst when you have to shop for a blacksmith? What do you get them? There's so many things. They're so unique. They're so weird. Well, today, I'm gonna help you out with 5 things that you do not want to get a blacksmith. You get these things, even though they look right, it's not gonna be right. Don't do it. Here we go. Number 1, clothing attire. Oh, what's in this one? Let's see. Oh, you should have. Oh, look at this nice white sweater. I'm gonna try it on. Look at that. Oh, man, it's gonna be so nice to work in the shop with. Sweaters are okay. Just don't get them a white sweater. Number 2. What else we got here? Oh, gloves! Oh, gloves! Thank you so much. Always be safe, kids. Number 3. Iron! Iron. Yes! Iron your clothes. Oh, man! Delicate, firm press. CDE. Look at that. Number 4. What could this be? Oh man, what could this be? I'm so excited. What could this be? Hammer. Can't go wrong with that. Yes, yes, I've always wanted one of these. Number 5. A pair of tongs! A pair of tongs. Sweet. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Price tag's still on it. 75 cents. All right, that wraps this episode up. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.